In our trader rundown, Todd, Bubba Horwitz is here to set up the trading day for us, and good to have you on the show.
Great to be here. Good morning.
So we're getting some earnings coming in from the big banks. Bank of America reports today, and JP Morgan was yesterday. So any early feelings on the big banks?
Well, I think you saw, we kind of talked about this on Wednesday, that the markets were going to be, these earnings were already priced in, so even a little beat could create some pretty big excitement. And we saw that when JP Morgan did beat, they spiraled higher, so did Citigroup, so did Bank of America. So we saw a big reaction off the bank. So again, don't get confused by the numbers because the markets have a good tendency of pricing things in ahead of time.
Let's talk about what's going on in the commodities market. Big news coming there, and I know there's a lot of buzz on the trading floors, including here at the Chicago Board Options Exchange and the Board of Trade, because you've seen some recent price spikes. Can you tell us what's going on?
Well, I think what you're seeing right now is the grains have been very depressed, and many of the commercials are extremely short, which means with a big short position, just like in stocks, you get these what they call short covering rallies. And I think what we saw is some interesting news on Tuesday afternoon, which created a quick spike. Wednesday, it looked like almost a repeat and another spike. So we're seeing prices in the grains we haven't seen for quite a while, and I'm hearing that it's really just a ton of short covering because the fundamentals have not changed here. So I think we're going to see this will probably peter out. But because also you had that very strong dollar, which is not usually go in tune with higher grain markets. So I think what we're going to see is a market that's probably going to calm down here. But overall, I do still like the commodity space, but I think this got a little bit ahead of itself.
What markets are moving the most? Is it wheat, corn, oil? What do you see?
Well, oil is moving very nicely up here at this 42 level. I think this is probably where this is going to probably slow down a little bit. Soybeans have been by far the strongest. They've gone up from just under $9 to over $9.80 now, basis of November new crop contract. Corn has been fairly strong, and wheat's been like wild. We just trade up and down like a yo-yo. But soybeans have definitely been the strongest of this group, and I think that they are due for a little bit of a sell-off here.
Oh, thank you for talking commodities and stocks today.
Great to be here.